Hello, good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my channel. And in this video, guys, today I'm going to guide you how to get a ChatGPT Go for 100% free. And this is a 12-month package you are going to achieve in this particular video. And if this is the first time coming across my video, please do wait to subscribe so you can receive another update anytime I drop a new video. Here is my channel, and what I talk about here is how to grow your YouTube channel, how to make money, and how to be able to build your crypto. This is all about how to and how to become successful. That is actually what we teach here, and also how to get a free AI tools and other AI tools that is out there early, and how do you dive in to achieve your goal, right? So in today's video, I'll be diving into the particular program we need today, right? And what we need today is the ChatGPT Go, right? So what we need to do first is to get a VPN that is going to be located in India, sorry. So this VPN is going to be an India VPN. So what I recommend you to do right now is to go to this Chrome extension. The link will be in the video description. And if you're not using Chrome, you can use your mobile phone. So I'm going to type in VPN. So this Uber VPN is what I'm going to actually download. So you can also download this in your mobile phone to follow up exactly what you are doing, because no one is limited, right? So I'm going to do what's add to my Chrome. So the reason is that I need to have it in my Chrome. I just want to download the application. I want to have the Chrome extension. So you can see it here, adds the extension. So I'm just going to wait. It's going to have there around 9 megabytes to 9 megabytes or so. Let me see. All right, you can see 9.1 megabytes. So I just need to wait for it to download. And I think we are around 7 megabytes now. So in a few seconds for now, or few minutes for now. All right, it has downloaded successfully. You can see it here. So what I need to do now is to add it. Guys, I need to pin it since I'm using the Chrome browser, right? So I want to pin it. Now that I've pinned it, the next thing I need to do is to open this is my ChatGPT, right? So I want to show you. I'm going to reload it. We're just waiting for my, okay. And the reason why I want to show you guys before I proceed is that a lot of people are doubting Thomas, right? They will say it doesn't work, and that if you look at here, you are seeing free, right? So if I click this upgrade, on this upgrade here, as a Nigerian, I'm going to be charged monthly 7,000 in Nigeria currency, right? So this price is going to depend on the currency or the country where you're coming for, right? And this go right here, as you see here, no matter the country you're going to come from, is going to be roughly $300 to $400 when you convert it monthly. Don't get me wrong. So now what I'm going to do right now is this. You can see here, there's no free option, right? I need to pay. You can see here, upgrade, and you can see the amount. So what I need to do right now is to go back, like clean the present session back, and then now we're going to launch our VPN, right? So wait for Uber VPN to load. So we're going to accept, and what you need to do right now is to connect. But what is trying to let me know is that I have another VPN extension that I need to disconnect first. So I just click disable, because I just need to disable the other one, then and then focus on this for now. After I can come back to it, because I have special VPN I'm using. But for this particular tutorial, this is the VPN that will work for me, because I can actually connect to India with this particular VPN easily. So I come down to this network section here where you see the country. Default you may see US. So I'm going to select India, right? I'm going to select India. I can just type it. You see India. You can use India, Indonesia, but I'm going to use India. Alright, I see TA connected, and this is my IP address, my Indian IP address, showing that's already connected. So what I need to do now is to refresh my browser, right? I'm going to refresh. All right, you can see now that I refresh my system, and you can see that what I have here right now is to upgrade. And you can see it here is for in India, this is 399 rupees that I'm to be paying monthly. Do you understand? So if I click this upgrade, it's going to take a few minutes to get everything ready, and depending on your network, right? So your network may be faster than this, but my network is not that much fast, so I just have to wait for it, right? All right, when you get to this particular interface here, this is where you need to use your debit card or use your UPI uh, to be able to make a payment. You can see it's a 12 month. Just look at here, 12-month free trial. That is what we want to get. You can see here, do today is 0. So I'm going to select card, right? Because definitely I'm going to make use of my card because I'm not in India and I don't use UPI. Okay, so I don't use that. So I'm just going to select pay with card. So here I'm going to fill in my card details, right? So so now I have put in my card details, right? So on no, since I put my card details here, I'm going to blur these card details. I'm sorry for that. So you can see it's a billing address. I have to change this billing address to where I'm actually billing from, which is Nigeria, right? So change the billing address, then select the address. Then after I've done that, just make sure you click this. So make sure you accept it. Okay, after you accept, you are going to do what subscribe. Okay, so just going to wait for one moment. This particular page, are going to accept that you're not the robot, so you're a human, and then it's going to pop up a captcha. So here you're going to solve this captcha, right? You're going to solve it. So um, so after you solve your captcha successful, it's going to load. You're unable to authorize this payment, please, due to. So I'm going to use a different payment method to actually try this right now. But this is exactly what you need to do to get it. So, but stay tuned with me. So let me get another payment method. So let's try it. All right, here I'm going to type in another card. So, all right, now I have added a new payment details, right? So let me click subscribe again. I'm sorry, the card is still be rejected. Um, I won't waste your time much, but this actually what you're going to do. Just add the card and you're good to go. You're going to get it done. You know, why my card is being rejected is based on my country, and some card will work, some card will not work. But my next video, I'm also going to find a virtual card that is actually going to work for you guys then, and show it for those of you that may be in a country that you have card issue, right? So thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.